Good afternoon, everyone. My topic is Igniting Research Aptitude in Budding Ophthalmologists. Neil Armstrong said, research is creating new knowledge. Without research, the conference halls would be empty and journals would have nothing to publish. Thesis is an integral part of MS syllabus, but there are hurdles, very high workload in OPD and very hectic schedule of postgraduate trainees, which include seminars, journal clubs, emergency duties. More importantly, students are less interested in research and more interested in surgeries, which gives them the bragging rights. On top of this, National Medical Commission has introduced new guidelines which say that every PGT must present in a state or a national conference and if possible publish. So difficulty is double. We have a thesis which we can't present or publish before the exam, and we have to do new research which has to be presented in a state or a national conference. My challenge was to develop a research project which would be accepted at least at a national conference in a peripheral medical college which is about 130 kilometers from Calcutta, keeping in mind the limited infrastructure. So we have 2 PGTs per year and we literally started from scratch because there were no presentations before this, and the standard protocol included planning a research topic, getting clearance from the ethics committee, analyzing data and sending the abstracts to various conferences. We had 53 presentations in state conferences of West Bengal and DOS. The difficult part was getting accepted in a national conference because the acceptance rate is very low. And I am glad to say that there were 40 presentations during the 5 years by my PGTs. And this was beyond my dream, beyond my imagination. International presentations by PGTs, and we had 17 of them, including APAO, SAOCON, and World Ophthalmology Congress. And this was possible because of COVID. Every cloud has a silver lining, and because of virtual platforms, all the residents could simultaneously attend the conference at a nominal cost without bearing the travel and hotel costs. So total of 110 presentations, and some of them are over here, which are included from the national and the international presentations. Awards are a huge motivating factor, and I'm proud to say that my team members have won quite a few awards, including first prize in DOS 2020 and third prize in DOS 2021, and Dr. K.P. Roy Memorial Award from the West Bengal State Conference, which was open to all young ophthalmologists below 40 years, and it was not reserved for PGTs. Some of the publications are highlighted over here and some are still in the pipeline. So I would like to conclude that it takes a lot of time from planting a seed to grow to a tree which gives fruits, but we should continue to motivate students to do research so that science moves forward. Basically, it's a teamwork, and I would like to thank all my seniors, colleagues and juniors for their cooperation and collaboration. And this is the best gift I have received in my life from my PGTs. I'm proud to say that all my PGTs have presented at least one paper in a national conference, and I think that is an achievement. And all the teachers in the hall would appreciate the effort behind this. Thank you.
Wonderful. Obviously, research is so important. USA is USA, Europe is Europe because of the research activities there. And now we are also catching up, and
yes.
Research methodology has become now I think mandatory for postgraduate students.
Yes,
also, I think.
Yes, sir.
So
they have to do statistics course also before they.
Biostatistics also. Yes, yes. So any comments?
Very good. This is very good thing. Just tell me, these papers were their primary work or the collective work of your OPD or your hospital, which they presented as a presenting?
No, this is their primary work. The patients were from the OPD, obviously, but they have.
So besides the thesis work,
besides the thesis work, they have done this something extra.
That is good thing. That is good. Because normally what we see, we just see a presentation from the collective work.
No, sir. This is their primary work, and I am glad to say that these awards helped me a lot. Once somebody got an award, then others were, there was a seismic boost, and others were trying to do 2 or 3 projects so that their chances of getting an award increase.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.